Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make simple YouTube thumbnails just using your phone. For this tutorial, you will need to download this Canva app. And here, after you open the app, you can type YouTube thumbnails on the search box over here. Or you can just scroll down until you see them. Alright, so I find it and then click see all to browse for more thumbnails. Then you can scroll down and then select the template that you want. For example, I'm going to choose, this one. Just click on the template here. And now you can edit your YouTube thumbnail. For example, you can replace the photos in the template with your own. So I'm going to choose this photo and then do the same for the other photos. Alright, after I'm done choosing and replacing the photos, I'm going to edit the text for my YouTube thumbnails title. I'm going to name it Tokyo Trip on Autumn. And I think I don't want to replace this text here. And then I'm done. After you're done, you can click this download button here and it will be saved to your device. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys!